Welcome to Math 061 videos. Today we're going to talk about applications of linear equations involving percents. So the example we have here is Smarties that are originally $4 are marked down 18%. What is the sale price? So we're going to use this equation up here that the sale price is equal to the original price minus the amount of discount. Now we have the original price. They're originally $4. But we're not sure the amount of discount yet. We only know they're marked down 18%. So we want to figure that out. So the amount of discount is going to be the original price, and then we'll multiply that by the rate of discount. So our rate of discount is 18%. And if we want to convert that over to a decimal, we're just going to take this 18 and we're going to move the decimal over 2 spots. So we're going to get 0.18. So our amount of discount is $4 times our 0.18. So this is the original price, and this is our rate of discount. So now we're going to plug this into our formula star up there. So our sale price is equal to the original price, which is $4, minus the amount of discount, which we had $4 times a rate of 18%, which is 0.18, and that's going to come out to 4 minus 0.72, which is going to be 3.28. Now we need to interpret this answer. We had originally a price in dollars, so that means the Smarties are now $3.28 because our original price was in dollars and we're subtracting 72 cents, so we get $3.28 for our sale price of the Smarties. So here's our second example. A clock is on sale for $22.50 after a 20% discount. What was the original price of the clock? So we're still going to use our sale price equals original price minus amount of discount, except this time we're looking for the original price. So we're going to call that our variable x. That's what we're looking for. And so let's plug all of the stuff we know into this equation. We know the sale price was $22.50, and then that is equal to the original price, which is just x, minus our amount of discount. So remember, our amount of discount is our original price, x, multiplied by our rate of discount. And in this case, it's a 20% discount, so that's a rate of 0.20. Okay, so we're going to multiply that 0.20 by x. So this 0.20 times x is our amount of discount. So now we have everything plugged into our equation. Sale price is equal to original price x minus our amount of discount, which is 0.20 times x. And now we're going to do the simplification on the right side. So 22.50 is equal to x. So this really you can think about as 1x minus 0.2x. So 1 minus 0.2, we're going to get 0.8x. So we have 0.8x is 22.5. Now we're going to divide both sides by 0.8. And we are going to get 28.125 is equal to x. Now we need to interpret our answer in terms of dollars because we had the clock on sale for an amount in dollars. So its original price is also going to be an amount in dollars. Now, if you look, we can't have 0.125 cents. That doesn't make sense. So we're going to instead round that up to 0.13. So we're going to have 28.13. So the original price is $28.13. That's what our clock originally costed before we applied a 20% discount. Here's our final problem, and this is going to be a problem involving interest. So here's our problem. Sarah has $6,000 to invest for 2 years. She puts $2,500 in an account that earns 2% simple interest, and the rest in an account that earns 5% simple interest. After 2 years, what is the total interest Sarah has earned? So we're going to use the equation interest equals the principal, which is the original amount of money you put into the account, times the rate, so the rate at which the account gains interest, and times the time you have the money in that account. So for this problem, our interest, we're going to have the interest, which I'll denote as I, interest from the 2% account plus the interest from the 5% account is going to be her total interest because we have two different accounts. So we're going to get our big I interest is going to be PRT from the 2% account plus PRT from the 5% account. So let's see what that is. So in the 2% account, she puts $2,500 in that account. So our principal, our original amount, is $2,500. Then that account earns 2% simple interest. So that's going to be 0.02 for our rate. And she's investing for 2 years. So that's times our time, which is 2 years. Now we have to add to it the interest from the 5% account. So what's our principal there? The rest, which would be her original amount. So she has $6,000 originally, minus the amount she put in the other account, which was $2,500. So that's how much she's going to put in this account, times the rate. So this one earns 5%, so that's going to be 0.05. And that one's also in there for 2 years. Now we just do the math, and this is going to come out to 100. And our next one is going to come out to 350. And so our I is equal to 450. Now interpreting this as an amount, we had $6,000, so we want to try and figure out the amount of interest in dollars. So Sarah earns $450 in interest over 2 years, because that's how long she was investing her money.